This video will show you how to access books in Vanderbilt's library collection. First, go to the library homepage, our main LibGuide. Click on the tab that says Visiting Vanderbilt and choose For Students. Now click on the Discover Library banner in the left column. This takes you to Vanderbilt's library catalog, which searches all of the books in their collection and also many of their online databases. Put in your search terms. You should have a list of several keywords based on the reading you've already done on your topic, but I'll start with something broad. I'm searching for the Franco-Prussian War. On the results page, you'll see on the left that we have many options for filtering or narrowing our search. This is important because if I have 33,000 results, I can't possibly look through them all, but I also can't just assume that the best or most useful ones will turn up on the first page of results. With that many results, filtering is your friend. So the first thing I'm going to do is to choose only items that are held by the library, meaning they actually belong to the library. This includes books, ebooks, government documents, dissertations, and several other types of documents. Now I only have 214 results to look through, and looking down this first page, I see a lot of books that are available either in the central library or at the annex, which is their off-site storage facility. So right away, I see two that look like they might be useful, and so I'm going to click the pushpin icon at the top of each record to save it for later. At this point, I'm thinking maybe I want to look at the subject headings for my search results. This will help me narrow my list further so that I'm really focused on books that address my topic substantially. They might also give me some new keywords or search terms to try. In the list of subject headings, I see 22 results for Franco-Prussian War 1870 to 1871 personal narratives. I know that personal narratives are a type of primary source, and since I need some primary sources for my paper, I'm going to check these out. And it looks like a lot of these are in German or French, and since I can't read those languages, I'm going to filter my results again so that I'm only getting results in English. Now I see two more items that might be potentially useful, so I'll click that pushpin icon again to save them. Okay, now I'm ready to actually get my hands on these books. So I look for the pushpin icon at the top of the page, which will show me the list of the books I've saved. Now I want to send this list to myself in an email, so that I have not only the book titles, but also the author's names, the publication information, and the call numbers for each book. So I'll click the box at the top of the list to select all the items at once. Now, in the bar just above where it says Search History, I see the three-dot icon, which I can click for more options. When you click it, you'll see the option to send an email. And when I click that, now I have a space to enter my own email address. So I type in my address, check to make sure that it's right, and click Send. Before you close out of this tab, make sure you have emailed yourself the list of books that you want. The catalog will only save them as long as that particular browser session is going on. You can try several different searches in the same session, but if you close your computer or your tab before you've sent that email, the books you saved most likely will not appear in that favorites list the next time you open it up. Once the email with your list of books arrives, you have two choices. You can either forward the list to Ms. Buxton or Ms. Pritchard, and they will request the books from Vanderbilt and have them sent here. This often takes a few days. If you want the book sooner, then you can set up a time with Ms. Buxton or Ms. Pritchard, and one of them will walk over to Vanderbilt with you to check out the books on Ms. Buxton's card. A few things to be aware of. Check the call numbers before you go to make sure you know which library has the books you want. Most of the books you want will probably be at the Central Library, but some might only be available at another of Vanderbilt's libraries, like the Peabody Library or the Music Library. If a book's call number says it's in the annex, you won't find it on the shelf in any library. You will have to ask a librarian to request it through the Vanderbilt catalog. And some items, like microfilm materials, can only be used in the library. You won't be able to check those out. If you want to use an item that is marked as library use only, ask one of our librarians to help you connect with someone at Vanderbilt who can show you how to access these materials. We are so lucky to have a world-class university library right across the street from us. I hope you'll take the opportunity to explore everything they have to offer.